everybody, it's me, Matthew, and my mom cooking. You've seen part 1, now part 2. So, you've seen Mom cut up the onion and stuff. So,
Your head's chopped off.
it looks good.
I see your head.
It looks good right now. So, now we have to pour an ounce milk in this.
That sounds weird, but onions, breadcrumbs, and just a little bit of milk. Just say half a cup at the most, or a fourth. You just got to have enough moisture to hold it together. And I use milk instead of ketchup, because if you use ketchup, the onions won't cook. Alright, this is the gross part. This is the part that most people hate, but it's really not that bad. You got to mix the eggs, the milk, salt, pepper, breadcrumbs, and the onions together with 2 pounds of hamburger meat. Remember that from part 1? This is the gross part, but it's all worth it once it gets done. And after you make the meatloaf in there for a while, you'll probably have to drain some of the grease off and halfway through cooking it. It'll take about 2 good hours to cook the meatloaf. At least an hour and a half.
Yeah, and then we'll do part 3.
Yeah. Oh, it's cold.
After this, you'll have to wait 2 hours, but I might make some mini cartoons or something like that. So, and then we'll get back to cooking.
This freezes your hands. It's probably better if you use rubber gloves.
Yeah, so always use adult supervision doing this, right, Mom?
That's exactly right. Oh, it's cold meat. It's cold. Folding it over and over, making sure I get everything mixed up. See?
It looks like a brain. Show everybody.
This is the hamburger meat with the onions and breadcrumbs and the eggs and salt. Alright. Mix it up.
Ew, it looks like potatoes. I hate potatoes.
It's really good with mashed potatoes, though. Everybody likes meatloaf with mashed potatoes.
But I like meatloaf, I don't like mashed potatoes.
We'll put this meatloaf in the oven and then we'll cut it until it gets done, and I'll show you how to make the sauce that goes over top of it.
How long is this gonna last? About 2 more minutes?
Not that long. I've already got it mixed up.
Yeah.
Now, Brittany, when I'm gone, Matthew will show you this meatloaf recipe. So if you ever crave Mom's meatloaf, you'll know how to cook it.
Are you talking about Brittany?
Yeah, everybody's got their mom's favorite. Matthew's favorite is meatloaf. Brittany's favorite is pot roast.
How many times for this? Me and my mom cooking for Thomas's Training Friends. Then it'll be like little cartoons for a couple of minutes, and it'll be funny and fun for little kids. So, Thomas the Training's coming up. Give all kinds of likes for this video if you want Thomas the Training and stuff like that.
But see how this meatloaf is mixed up, and it's just like a big ball right now.
Yeah, it's like a big ball.
Well, we're going to put it, mash it down a little bit, put it in the oil pan. What I was doing was getting all the air out of it. Making it into a loaf. Just see, once it's mixed up, it doesn't look that big, even though we put 2 pounds of hamburger meat in it. And besides, everybody loves cold meatloaf sandwiches. So we can eat on this a couple of days.
Yeah.
Especially for single.
Meatloaf is good with ketchup.
Okay, this is the size of pan that I use. Regular loaf pan. This is the meat. Oh, Matthew says it smells good, and all it's got in it is raw meat. Wait till it smells it cooking. This is going to school dinner because he goes to school tomorrow for half a day. It's his first.
Yeah. And Bubba, if you're watching this, and Marshall, if you're watching this, then you have to go to school tomorrow too. Well, me and Marshall might hang out for a little bit, but I know Bubba can't because he don't get in my school.
Yeah, I'm putting my hands down the sides of the meatloaf.
So he does.
And the ends of it separated from the pan, so it'll look like a meatloaf. See? Perfect. 2 pounds, like I said, 2 pounds and 1 egg. Almost a half a cup of milk, onion, salt, pepper. All there is to it.
Is that done now?
We're going to put it in the oven at 350 and bake it for approximately 2 hours.
2 hours of waiting.
That's the rest of this part. I'll show you the rest later.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. This is Brenda
and Matthew signing off. Bye-bye.